Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I keep talking about how blockchain and fintech startups are growing in India, and also what is also happening is that in India, the private banks and the financial industry is lapping up blockchain big time. And that's the reason why a few days ago I did a video on the crypto bill, which the government of India is looking to bring into force. And so there is a lot of investment going into this particular field, and that is very, very, very heartening. So I thought I'll talk about what is it that's driving blockchain adoption in India. So in this video we'll do exactly that. Now, as usual, before we start, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and I could then craft a video based on what you're looking or you're interested in. And also share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos and from my insights in my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as usual, I keep talking about my ebook. So this particular ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. So in this particular ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job. So it talks about my preparation, the challenges I faced, and how I overcame those challenges. In order to help those who are looking to becoming an entrepreneur, I have also put down 3 worksheets in this particular book. So you have to answer certain questions, get certain points, and you will see where you stand based on your answers. The cool thing is I scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010, and you would know how much I scored. And you would also know how successful I am as an entrepreneur with 2 companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and representations in the US market. Now, the good thing is this ebook is available to you for totally free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, and put down a name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Now let's talk about blockchain in India. So blockchain adoption, if you look at the map of India, and you see the areas or states in which companies are jumping in, are working on fintech and blockchain, and this is right from the government of India's repository. So now let's talk about the adoption. So many enterprises are trying to explore the technology by incorporating it in their daily business processes. A number of new startups are working on blockchain across India. So the map tells you. Even the public sector has also been actively using this technology for use cases such as land title registry, vehicle life cycle management, farm insurance, and electronic health record management. India ranks second in terms of crypto adoption worldwide behind Vietnam, but ahead of countries such as US, UK, and China, as per the 2021 Global Crypto Adoption Index by Chainalysis. So now this is very, very heartening. Now let's look at the factors that's driving blockchain adoption in India. First factor is digitization. Over the past decade, India has successfully created foundational digital infrastructure envisaged to enable private sector applications running on top of it, such as the Aadhaar, which is the Social Security, UPI, which is payment, e-sign is signature, and DigiLock, along with digitally enabled tax government network like GSTN or digitally enabled health coverage, such as Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. This is for health benefit to reach out to the masses, to interiors of India. Governance in India faces several challenges given the scale, diversity, and complexity of the processes involved in the delivery of varied public services. Blockchain offers unique possibilities for addressing issues relating to improving governance. In business, by allowing self-regulation, India can considerably move towards improving the ease of doing business by allowing entities to interact through a trusted medium such with a reduced dependency on cumbersome regulatory oversight and compliance. So this is the direction that the government is taking. They're looking to digitize India fully. Second point is on empowered citizens. By empowering citizens through features of transparency, decentralization, and accountability, blockchain would help in improving ease of living as well. There are also several benefits that would directly affect the economy, such as better contract management and procurement, greater accountability, and quality control across supply chain and decentralization of authority in decision making. Example, blockchain can radically transform the agricultural sector in India by revamping the utility of enam, creating an audit trail of all farmer produce and removing the mistrust between farmers and arhatias or the mandi intermediary or the wholesale intermediaries. So this is one example. The other example is blockchain application can also be used to explore certification of the provenance of organic produce, thus increasing marketability to the foreign market. So these are the great opportunities when you empower citizens. Now the third point and the last point is improved efficiencies. There are several businesses adopting the blockchain idea, and given how India wishes to position itself in the tech space in the coming years, this trend will only continue. Technology efforts in India are being supported by players abroad as well. Foreign direct investment (FDI) in computer software and hardware jumped over threefold to $26.14 billion during 2021 due to significant growth in the country's tech space. This is according to the Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade department. The sector received $7.67 billion FDI in 2019-20 and $6.41 billion in 2018 and 2019. So look at the jump. The computer software and hardware sector accounted for about 43% of the total 59.63 billion foreign inflow that India attracted in 2020 and 2021. So the conclusion. So let's conclude. So why this adoption is growing. We can see how India is set to become one of the most important technological hubs. Most important technology hubs of the world. While we have witnessed how the Internet of Information has changed our society over the past 2 decades, we are also entering a phase where blockchain may do the same by ushering in. So blockchain is ushering in a new era, in the new paradigm of comprising Internet of Trust. So that's what blockchain does: trust, building trust, and Internet of Value. So that's the conclusion of this particular idea of this direction of adoption of blockchain in India and of this video. So now I will, before I close, I will also point you to the video that I did on the crypto bill, which is pending approval from the Parliament of Government of India. I did that video a few days ago. I'll put the link to the video in the card above. Go take a look at it. And there are some very good, insightful direction that the Government of India is taking on the crypto bill and taxation of crypto transactions. So now, thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Please click on it, go to my profile, take a look at my profile. If you like my profile, go ahead and connect with me. I also work with companies where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engage in me as your consultant, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put a URL to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can jump into a conference call and see how we can work together. So that's it, guys. So finally, before I go, my request again to you is to like my videos, to subscribe to my channel, to smash that notification bell, to comment on my videos, and to share my videos. So until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Take care and bye-bye.